gonna walk right across the surface of the water.
All right, let's see it. Whoa!
And just like that, the coins magically float.
EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you how to walk on water.
You might think that I float, you know, maybe even walk on water and stuff.
So if you're ready to learn how to walk on water, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is an absolutely amazing illusion that you can pull off at the pool this summer. Check it out. And just like that, you magically float on top of the water.
Dad, that is not possible.
It's magic.
That's not magic, that is a miracle.
It's a miracle.
How are you floating that?
I'll teach you and you the secret right now. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The secret is actually really simple. See, Ava's doing it right now. It's really easy, right?
Yeah.
So who would have thought walking on water was actually really easy? It actually is, and I'm going to teach you the secret right now. The first thing you're going to need to pull off this illusion is a swimming pool. Second thing you'll need is what Ava is standing on right now. Let me show you. What's hidden inside the pool is this right here. It's a clear plexiglass stool that we're able to stand on because when it's submerged in the water, it becomes completely invisible. You can't actually walk on water for one simple reason. Human beings are so big that the force of gravity overcomes the surface tension of the water and causes us to sink. So the illusion is absolutely perfect. You submerge the plexiglass stool down in the water, creates an absolutely convincing illusion that you're floating on top of the surface of water. And when you see a magician walk across the top of the water, it's just a series of these in a row. So they're just stepping on each one of these stools. That's how we're creating the illusion of walking on water. It's super easy. And stay tuned for the end of the video. We're actually giving away this plexiglass bench to one lucky comment so you guys can pull off the walking on water trick at home. Give the video a thumbs up if it really looked like I was standing on the surface of the water. This next one is a scaled down version of walking on water that you can do at home right now. Check it out.
So we have our little paper man here. He's gonna walk right across the surface of the water. Check this out.
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done.
Here's what you need to pull this one off at home. It's super easy. All you're gonna need is some wax paper. Remove a sheet from the roll, and you're going to cut out the figure of a little person. You wanna make sure you cut some little circles on the end of the legs to make little feet for him to stand on. You're going to bend the feet in opposite directions, just like this. Folding the feet like this will allow your little paper man to stand up inside the water. And because it's so light, the paper does not break the surface tension of the water, and it allows the paper man to float right across the surface. So you just take the little wax paper man and sit him right on top of the water just like that. And the little paper man walks across the water.
And that is an easy DIY walking on water trick that you can do at home. And this last one is another really cool way to actually walk across the surface of liquid. Check out this cool performance.
So I have this mysterious liquid here.
Okay.
And
what is it? Looks like milk.
Just a mysterious liquid.
Okay.
It's a mystery.
That's a mystery.
Okay.
And I would like to show you a magic trick.
Okay. Let's see it.
I'm going to walk across the magical liquid.
You're going to walk across it. Will you just sink right into it like water?
Nope.
All right, let's see it. Whoa! Did your feet get the stuff on it?
Nope. It's a mystical liquid.
Okay, here is the secret of how Ava was able to walk across that mysterious liquid. Here's what you'll need to pull this off at home. You're going to need cornstarch. You're gonna need a ton of cornstarch, depending on the size of the pool you're using. So let's just load it up. And you're going to need one of these little kiddie pools. Your first step is to fill the pool with the cornstarch. Now that you've added all your cornstarch to the pool, it's time to add your water. You want to do 2 parts cornstarch for every 1 part of water. And then you begin mixing in your cornstarch. You want to mix the 2 together, and you can add a little bit of water as you mix. And this is what you're going to end up with. A lot of you probably know what this is. This is called Oobleck. It's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it doesn't follow Newton's laws of viscosity. It doesn't behave like any other fluid in the world. What's different about it is that when it's in this state, it's like a liquid. But when you apply force, it behaves like a solid. You can try this at home. You fill up the pool with your Oobleck, and then you can actually run across the surface of the water. And because it's a non-Newtonian fluid, as you run quickly across the surface of the water, the liquid behaves like a solid. And you can actually walk across the water without getting anything on your feet. You can see when you grab it, it really looks like a solid, but then you can throw it down and it just instantly melts back into a liquid. So cool. Oobleck. Kind of like slime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like a ball and then bleh.
It's like really sticky slime. Make it into a ball. Oh no, it's turning into a glob.
Seems like a liquid. You can run across the surface and not break the surface tension, but if you just sit, it'll sink right in like quicksand.
Are you stuck?
Yes, I can't. Help!
Just don't stand still.
That's
or it
seriously.
becomes like quicksand.
I can't.
All right, come on. So everyone knows if you just drop a metal coin into water, it will sink. Well, let's see if we can change that outcome using a little bit of magic. So if we just take the coin and we set it in the water like this, you can see it will magically float on the surface of the water just like that. Now watch the coin. Just walks across the water just like that. So you can actually just sit it right in the middle and it will eventually begin to attract to one side of the cup. It's totally self-working. Just let the coin sit and it will eventually just walk to one side of the cup. Wait for it, here it goes. It's drifting, drifting, taking a little walkabout, and bloop. Every time. It's because there's less surface tension on the edge. The surface tension is being broken on the edge by the cup, so the coin is naturally attracted to the side.
All you're gonna need to pull this off is a paper clip. You wanna bend the paper clip down just like this, and you're gonna use this to set the coin in the water. So you're gonna take the paper clip and just set the coin on it just like that, and use it to lower the coin into the water gently. And just like that, the coin magically floats on top of the water. So all you have to do is use the paperclip tool and you can lift it in and out of the water just like that. And what happens is the coin is so light that it doesn't break the surface tension of the water. It looks like it's just sitting on an invisible raft. Super cool. And you can put as many of these coins in the water as you want. You just have to make sure you have currency that is light enough. So if you find a bag of some foreign coins, a little jar or something, you will have to do some digging around and find ones that are light enough. That one feels like it might be light enough. And you just want to make sure that they're really light, and obviously the bigger ones are going to be too heavy. This is a Peruvian coin. You can also use Japanese coins and Portuguese coins. So with certain coins, this is not going to work. They're just going to sink right to the bottom. You can experiment with different currencies, different coins, and see if they'll work. You can tell at that moment right there if they're gonna work or not. That water just goes right over top of the coin. So you have to experiment, find coins that are light enough that they don't break the surface tension of the water. It does all the work for you. It's completely self-working. All you have to do is use your little paperclip tool and lower it into the water. And then to make it walk across the surface of the water, it kind of just naturally pulls to the edges of a cup. But you can kind of just blow on it using the same method that we do for the paper man walking across the surface of the water. In order to get the coin out of the water, you can use the same paperclip method and just reverse it, lifting the coin out just like that. Or to prove that there's nothing tricky going on, you can just pluck it out of the water with your fingers. So you can get multiple coins floating on the surface of the water just like this. Super amazing. You can try this out at home. See if you have any foreign currency. If anyone in your house has any foreign coins, you can go through them and try them, test them out, and see if they'll float on the surface of the water like this. And then they seem to just naturally walk right across the surface of the water to the edge of whatever you're putting them in. So try it with a cup or a bowl from the kitchen. You can kind of reposition them. It's just a mind-blowing thing to see a metal coin float on the surface of water, because obviously you would think of a metal coin being heavy enough that it's just going to sink right to the bottom. You could also use this to stop someone's wish at a wishing well. Just have them flip this coin into it and it just bloop, floats on the surface of the water. No wish for you.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. If you like the show, please help the channel grow. Sharing is caring. Share the video on your Facebook or Twitter and tell someone else to subscribe to the channel as well. We are on that road to 3 million subscribers. And be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. There's a link in the description. That is our online shop. Plenty of Laugh at Life merch, really cool magic tricks, and more stuff that you can get to do this summer. Head
head down to the link in the description at EvanEraTV.com and pick up some cool magic and merch that will take your summer fun to the next level. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win, leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. In fact, the more comments you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning. I'll be going through the comment section, picking random comments and mailing out the magic to you so you can perform the amazing walking on water trick at home. Whoever wins the magic bench for the walking on water trick, I will actually feature you performing the trick on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my YouTube. So leave a comment in the comment section down below. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. If you won the giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below.
Oh no, it's turning into a glob.
It's gonna walk right across the surface of the water.
All right, let's see it. Whoa!
And just like that, the coins magically float.
Yeah, that is not possible.
It's magic.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this episode of How To Magic, exploring how to walk on water, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We make new videos like this every week, exploring different parts of magic. Check out the last episode of How To Magic right over here. Tap this button right down there to get some merch from the shop and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.